Hello guys! Welcome ulit dito sa aking channel and today's vlog. Pag-usapan lang natin itong isang bangko na kung saan pwede tayong umutang ng 10,000 hanggang 2 million. At pwede nating bayaran yung possible na utangin natin dito sa loob ng 12 months, 18 months, 24 hanggang 36 months. And isa ito sa mga nakita ko na bangko na nag-offer ng pinakamababang interest rate. Kaya naman kung interested ka, ay sana mapanood mo yung buong video na ito. Ito nga ang BDO Personal Cash Loan yung pag-uusapan natin. Pwede kayong pumunta dito nga sa website ng BDO at makikita nyo naman dito yung nakalagay na apply now. Pero bago natin subukan nga na umutang or mag-apply, check muna natin yung iba't ibang mga feature na meron ito. So kagaya nito, why choose BDO Personal Loan? So, bring your plans to life. Loan amount hanggang 2 million. So, medyo malaki. Itong pwede na naman nating mautang dito sa BDO Personal Loan kasi hanggang 2 million. At meron itong flexible payment terms, 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, 24, hanggang 36 months. So, mahaba yung ino-offer na payment terms. Meron dalawang klase na loans. Meron itong ino-offer na BDO Personal Loan at meron ding BDO Kabayan Personal Loan. Sa mga gustong mag-BDO Personal Loan, ito yung qualifications. Must be 21 years old at time of application but not more than 60 years old upon loan maturity. Applicant must be a Filipino citizen or a foreigner who is a resident of the Philippines at ang minimum gross fixed monthly income 15,000 para sa mga salaried employees at 35,000 naman for self-employed or yung mga professionals. Kailangan na regular employee or self-employed with business operating at least 2 years at meron dapat landline or one landline number in either residence or place of work or mobile number. At residence of office address must be within any area where a BDO branch is located. Kapag BDO Kabayan Personal Loan naman, ito yung qualifications. So, overseas Filipino workers, OFW, at pwede rin ito sa mga seamans, domestic helpers, pwede rin makapag-try nga at para nga sa OFW Filipino workers, ayan, at least 25 years old at the time of application and up to 65 years old at the time of loan maturity. Kailangan din Filipino citizen or former Filipinos with or without dual citizenship. Must have at least 2 years continuous employment contract. At least one landline in either local or foreigner residence or employment location. Gross monthly income ay 20,000 or its US dollar equivalent. At dapat may good credit standing. At para naman sa mga seaman or sa mga domestic helper, kailangan 25 years old at the time of application, up to 65 years old at the time of loan maturity. Kailangan Filipino citizen pa rin or former Filipinos with or without dual citizenship. Must have at least 3 years continuous employment contract. At least one landline in either local or foreign residence of employment location. Gross monthly income naman ay 20,000 pesos or its US dollar equivalent. Kailangan din good credit standing or with good credit standing. At para sa mga seafarers, manning agency must be accredited by Philippines Overseas Employment Administration or sa POEA. Balikan natin itong BDO Personal Loan. Ito yung mga requirements na kailangan nating isubmit. So, kailangan unang-una meron tayong proof of identification. Sa mga Filipino or sa mga Pinoy, any of the following government-issued ID. So, preferred IDs, Philippine Identification System, or PhilSys ID, yung Philippine Passport, Driver's License, yung TIN ID, SSS, or GSISE card. Ito naman yung mga ibang tinatanggap, yung UMID cards, Voter's ID, Philippine Postal ID, PRC ID, or yung PhilHealth ID. So, copy of employment contract, certificate of employment, yung letters from the embassy if embassy officials, at plus any of the following, yung valid visa, alien certificate of registration, valid passport with any of the following, yung special investors resident visa, and then latest income tax return, yung latest full month's payslip, original certificate of employment indicating status, ito, yung service tenure and compensation breakdown. At kung merong credit card sa ibang bangko, copy of the latest 2-month statement of credit card existing at least 1 year. Kailangan din natin makapag-submit ng latest income tax return, yung registration of business name, kung self-employed ka naman, yung latest 3 months bank statement, at if requested loan amount is more than 1 million, kailangan makapag-present tayo ng latest 3 months bank statement and at least 100 references or GIS if company is corporation. And yung mga requirements, kailangan nating isubmit sa BDO branch nationwide. Ano naman sa mga bayan, personal loan nga, ito yung requirements, proof of identification, ito yung mga preferred ID daw na tinatanggap, Philippine Identification System or PhilSys ID, yung Philippine Passport, Driver's License, TIN ID, SSS ID, or GSIS ID, pwede rin daw yung UMID card, yung Voter's ID, Philippine Postal ID, PRC ID, or PhilHealth ID. At dapat meron din tayong proof of income. Para sa mga land-based, kailangan yung last 6 months certificate of employment or current employment contract. If applicable, should be 1 line only. Latest 1 full month pay slip, yung 6 months bank statement, at 6 months remittance slip. Then, para sa mga seafarers, syempre, mandatory po ito yung POEA Contract of Employment at yung Seaman's Book. Additional documents required for BDO Kabayan Personal Loan, so signed automatic debit arrangement form. So, si bangko naman yung magbibigay nito yung form para sa auto-debit arrangement. Submit nyo lang itong mga requirements sa iba't ibang mga BDO branches. Try lang natin kasi nakita ko itong apply now. So, before you proceed, here are safety tips from BDO Stop Scam. Don't click links from random emails and text messages. Ayan, so pwede nyong basahin yan. Dito pala, kailangan lang natin kunin itong application form online. Pwede nyong sagutan and then isa-submit lang din natin itong application form kasama yung mga requirements sa mga BDO branches na malapit nga sa lugar nyo. So, ito yung mga kailangan nyong sagutan. So, yung customer's information like yung full name, yung first name, at yung middle name, suffix, date of birth, and then contact information, yung personal mobile number, personal email address, at yung home landline number. So, home address, alternate address, yung work business email address, work business landline number, at iwasan nyo yung yung paglaktaw sa mga basic information na tinatanong kasi minsan pinapabalik or tumatagal yung process ni bangko or pag-process nila ng inyong loan application kapag kulang-kulang sa mga infos, diba? So, kailangan pa rin pala talaga na dalhin mismo sa mga nearest branch nitong BDO yung application form kasama yung mga requirements. So, kahit saan may BDO, so, pwede kayong pumunta sa mga nearest branch ng BDO, then pwede kayong magtanong regarding nga dito sa personal loan na ino-offer nila. Kung gusto nyo din naman, ilagay ko yung link sa comment section, so pwede nyo makuha itong form nila, pwede nyo sagutan, then i-print nyo na lang, then isama nyo na yung mga requirements at isubmit sa branch nitong BDO. So, thank you guys for watching. Sana makatulong yung video na ito sa inyo. Sa mga naghahanap ng pwedeng mautangan na legit, yung tipong hindi sila may scam. So, pwede nyo na consider yung bangko na ito. Thank you guys at see you sa aking next vlog. Bye!